Today we're gonna make Japanese curry. It's all-time favorite. Kids love it. Adults love it. I love it. It's very simple. Let's do it. We need very simple ingredients. Carrot, potato, onion, and beef, and curry. I'm gonna use this curry. You can use any curry. Start by peeling your onion. Cut it into large wedges. Since onions can dissolve when simmered, cutting them a bit larger helps keep that nice texture. Next, peel your potatoes. And cut them into bite-sized pieces. Do the same with your carrot, chopping it into rough chunks. So we can use a little deep pan. I'm gonna put some oil. Cut the beef into cubes. If you are shopping at a Japanese grocery store, look for pre-cut curry beef. It's perfect for this recipe. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Then add the beef and chopped vegetables. Saute them until the beef is browned and the vegetables are a bit softened. Alright, I'm gonna put water. Once the beef is browned, add water based on the instructions on your curry roll package. Bring everything to a simmer and then let it cook for about 30 minutes. Stirring occasionally. While it's simmering, you will notice some foam rising to the surface. Just skim it off with a strainer. This removes any bitterness and makes the curry taste even better. Turn off the heat. Then we're gonna put curry. Let it dissolve smoothly into the sauce. Smells so good. I'm gonna show you my secret weapon for curry. I like to put sushi vinegar a little bit so the curry gets more depth of flavor. Once you put curry, just make sure don't let it burn. Just stir with low heat. Once the roux is completely dissolved, let it simmer on low for another 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to make sure it doesn't stick or burn. Now it's time to serve. Pour that delicious curry over freshly cooked rice. And if you want, add a little cheese on top. It melts in beautifully. Curry is ready! Yay! I'm so hungry. Looks so delicious. We're gonna make some easy Japanese style tomato salad. Finely chop the onion. You'll just need a small amount here. In a bowl, combine konbu dashi, sesame oil, white sesame seeds, bonito flakes, and a bit of soy sauce. Mix it well. Cut your onion into bite-sized pieces. Toasted tomatoes with your onion dressing. And that's it. A fresh, tasty Japanese style tomato salad ready to serve. Tomato salad is done. Looks delicious. いただきます。カリカリカリカリ。So good. Mmm. めっちゃ美味しい。This is good too.